Excuse me, what the actual fuck you... Excuse me, what the actual fuck...
The racing drones are here.
Excuse me, what the actual fuck...
Taku aren't afraid to try again.
Scrap the Taku!
The actual fuck you do...
Taro Katano.
Mitchell McClurg.
Who's Mitchell?
Hey!
The actual fuck you doing in my...
It isn't competition with Nolo, it's... What do you want?
Excuse me, what the actual fuck you doing in my...
So...
Excuse me, what the actual fuck you doing in my...
yeah, he can help us out around the garage. Here, let me show you. Sparky. Sparky. Hello.
The actual fuck you doing in...
Pork chop! You go in instead of talk.
My hog's burned up.
Excuse me, what the actual fuck you doing in my...
Tone drifted too far. Lost it in the turn. It wasn't your fault.
Excuse me, what the actual fuck you doing in my...
Right. I'm hitting the ED. Wait a minute. This is a sweep.
The actual fuck you doing in...
Motherfuckers don't even know what's going on, baby. Not even suck on my cock. You don't even know, baby. I love it so much. When she shit on the floor, what the fuck's going on? I don't even know, baby. I lost myself in the storm room. The storm room, we suck on my dick. Let's fucking go!